I heard you. Thank you, bro. You want to race? I was just driving. I heard Nick. My boy was hype. That was funny, bro. I stopped for a minute and kicked it with the homie right now. But I guess he watches my videos. But it was funny because I was just driving, guys, with my window down, just driving casually, and I heard Finding Nick or something screaming, bro. Uh-oh. 1, 2 cops. Don't look at me. I'm gonna let them go. Look at that. Now I want to get pulled over. That's not how I want to start today's vlog. Anyways, what's up, guys? You're watching another video. I literally just ended my last video with the G82. If you guys did not watch that, it's literally my dream G82 M4. The homie Anthony. Cool little like review on his car, just some little flybys and stuff like that. Go check it out if you guys haven't already. But right now we're about to start another vlog, 2 vlogs in one day. We're about to stop by Impressive Rap. If you guys don't know, Impressive Rap is probably like one of the biggest rap shops in LA. They always have crazy cars. I'm sure there's gonna be crazy cars to film there. So we're gonna stop by right there, meet up with the homies, and then I think there's a car meet tonight that we're all gonna go to. So it should be pretty lit. Oh my God, these cops are, I don't know what they're doing. They got their lights on. I don't know what they're doing, but hopefully they're not going for me. We made it, guys. Look at this. This shop is crazy, and they have crazy cars. Look at Z.
Yeah, you see that thing right there?
I know, I want to go look at that right now. It's R32 wide body, Liberty Walk, I think, a Pandem, I don't know.
Yeah, it's what you want.
But look at the GTR, bro. I heard it start up right now. This shit is clean. I think I follow him on Instagram. I think we cruised together before too, but it used to be purple. Yeah, it used to be purple. Now it's like this orange color with a carbon hood, bro. Top secret body kit. This has to be one of the cleanest GTRs. I wish mine looked like this. I didn't even put some money into mine. I think this hood is like $3 grand though, so I don't know if I'm. I want the hood though for sure. Yeah, this car is beautiful, bro. Look at that. That wing is sick. Everything's sick. What? Let me see. Let me see. Oh my God, there's hella lights, bro. That's sick. This is a crazy body kit. Here's the wing, different bumper, different side skirts, different fenders, different hood, different front bumper. He literally has like the entire car, new stuff all over it, bro. It's crazy. A lot of work done to this GTR, honestly. It makes it look way more aggressive than mine though. Sheesh. I want to do a carbon hood on mine, guys. And look at this thing. This shit is crazy. The Urus wide body. Oh, this has to be one of the sickest Uruses I've seen.
It like has like purple.
Yeah, it's sick. You can see like a purple hue in the wrap. Now I just gotta find my next color for the GTR. What should we do? Wide body R32 GTR. It's really dusty right now, but I've actually seen this car at a car show before, and it's super clean when it's washed. Like, it's clean even when it's dirty, bro. Look at this. Wide body, huge wheels, bro. Like, crazy wide wheels. So sick. It has to be one of the cleanest R32 GTRs. And it's right-hand drive. Oh my God, look at this thing, guys. This thing is sick, bro. This is also one of my dream cars, guys. A Supra. Are you still selling it? Huh? Are you still selling it?
I don't know.
He was selling it back when I was trying to buy my GTR. I thought about it, bro. Damn. This is like sick, bro. You can really see my reflection. Bro, this thing sounds like a beast, bro. This sounds crazy. Just idling, bro. Like, this sounds fast, bro. If I heard this thing pull up at the stoplight, I'd be scared to race it. I'm not gonna lie. That's painful, bro. If I had a Supra, guys, I'd be doing that shit 24/7, bro. This is one of my dream cars, 100%. I'll trade you.
Huh?
I'll trade you my GTR.
Nah.
Now he wants to turn off the lights. Oh no, it's gonna be so loud, guys. He wants to turn off the lights now. The whole ceiling's about to come down. Has to be the loudest two-step, bro. That is ridiculous, bro. We're about to pick my new wrap for my GTR. It's literally like a video game, but you can do everything.
What color you want?
I don't know, bro. What color should we do? They have the actual Innovatech colors. That's tight.
Unicorn.
They actually have my car, bro. Look at it.
car.
That's crazy. The color's literally on point, too. You literally could customize your car before they actually wrap it, which is dope. Alright, guys. We just left the wrap shop. Now we're about to head to a car meet. I heard there's a lot of supercars there, so it should be pretty sick. But your boy has no gas, bro, and there's no E85 station close by at all. I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. They're gonna have to pump some 91 in this car, sadly. Be slow. Alright guys, we made it to the meet and look at this place. Oh my god. My lens is dirty, but this place is big, bro. I don't know what they do here, but it looks lit.
I'm not sure either.
E30? They got cool cars. E30 M3, guys. Look at that. BBS's. That's super clean, bro. This shit looks brand new. It literally looks mint, guys. It's worth a lot of money, probably. Another E30 M3. These cars are crazy. So I guess it's a big car show tomorrow, Tuner Evo. We're gonna go to it in the vlog, but this is like their pre-meet. So all the cars that are gonna be in the show tomorrow are actually gonna come to here. All white. Probably for photo shoots, obviously, but it looks weird in person, bro. R32. This low-key looks like Jimmy's old car. I wonder if it is, bro. It literally looks just like Jimmy's old car. The one that I drove, RX-7. RX-7 is also another car that I want in the future. There's a dressing room in here. I don't know what the shop is, guys, but definitely interesting. You guys know I like this. This is my dream car. SV or SVJ, either one, I'll take it. Even a stock Aventador, I'll take it, bro. But SVs and SVJs are like the Aventador to have, bro. It's red. Supra on 2 tires, bro. Usually you see someone do the rear tire, but my boy has the front and the rear. This is probably hella fast. Bro, this thing looks so good. Well, it looks crazy. I like Supras a lot, guys. It's kind of sad. Gustavo's selling his. You guys all know Gustavo's Supra. I think he's partying it out and he's selling it. He doesn't even have the wheels no more. He doesn't have anything. This thing's clean, guys. A little 240 drift car. Hard. My boys are ready to go drifting. Red Supra with TEs.
This is the one that was out.
Whole collection of M3s just chilling over here. E46 M3, E36 M3, and E92 M3 back there. Where's the E90? What's even crazier is I've had this one, I've had that one, I've had that one. Look at my boy Supra though. It's just fire on the wheels. This looks like a full-on track car now with the wing and the wheels. It's just sick. Guys, like the SV started. My freaking dream car. Crazy, bro. I'm literally gonna go deaf right here. Guys, my right ear is deaf, like completely, bro. I cannot hear out my ear at all, bro. Oh my god. That is ridiculous. I
mean, it's cool, I guess.
You can't start it next to this thing over there. It looks good. I actually really like M2s. That shit's hard. I like it set up just like that too, like a track build. I see the homies David, Hugo, Peter, and David actually got some new mods too with that Fady. We're about to check them out. Boss.
What's up, bro?
What's the deal, bro?
What's up, bro?
Alright, look what's back. The front lip. Bro, that is crazy. If I has a lip again, hopefully this one lasts longer than like a
We got
month.
side skirts now.
And side skirts. You can't really see right now, but look at this, guys. This shit looks fire, bro. Front lip, side skirts. The fitment's not even bad in the back. All he needs to do is lower the front, and this car's gonna be perfect, bro. Look at that. The side skirts made it look way better, guys. Now he has side skirts, diffuser, spoiler, TEs, and a front lip, bro. And he has the GTS hood too. Oh boy, has hella mods, bro. And you're getting tuned? When? Next week? Tune and lowering it.
That's crazy. How you make so much money, brother?
Yeah, what you do for a living, brother?
Union. The Union.
David's car looks sick with the lip. Look at that. Damn. I'm so jealous of David, bro. This food really has an F80. And it's coming out exactly what I want mine, bro. Oh my god, it's so clean. I know I said it on my vlogs, but I cannot wait to have a BMW, bro. An F80, they're just so clean. I want it so bad.
Hey, chicos, no.
¿Qué pasó?
Papi, vamos a ir a Canes a comer pollo.
Me la pelas, güey. You're gonna be teaching me all the bad words, guys.
Mama huevo.
Bro, that shit looks fire. No, bro, it looks so good.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.